Hey there, are you feeling lost and trapped in a cycle you can't seem to break? Perhaps you're tired of the shame, secrecy, and the never-ending loop of guilt and broken promises associated with porn addiction. The question is, are you ready to break free from the grip of porn and regain control of your life? Have you attempted to quit before, trying various apps, self-help books, and accountability partners, only to find yourself back in the same cycle, feeling more defeated and even lower than before? If so, it's time to explore a different approach, one that goes beyond quick fixes and empty promises. This journey is about achieving the ultimate goal: permanent freedom from porn addiction, with no more relapses and no more shame. It's about reclaiming your life and rediscovering genuine connections and fulfillment. This video is not just about abstaining from porn. It's about delving into the reasons behind your addiction, identifying hidden triggers, and providing you with powerful tools to break free. Forget relying solely on willpower. We're going to work on rewiring your brain, rebuilding your habits, and creating a life where porn becomes insignificant. This isn't just an escape from porn. It's about reclaiming your confidence, revitalizing your relationships, and unlocking your full potential. It's about constructing a life that you can be proud of, a life that is genuinely yours. If you're ready to bid farewell to porn addiction and welcome a future that you can't even imagine yet, stick with me. Your journey to freedom begins now. I will share 8 top tips for how to stop or control porn addiction. Write down your reasons. It's a good idea to remind yourself of your motivations if you've decided to give up porn and have acknowledged that you have a problem. Try to stay true to them. Although it can be difficult to kick a porn addiction on your own, you can start by outlining your reasons for quitting. Perhaps it's interfering with your relationship or causing issues at work. Read your own goals back to yourself every time you consider watching porn and persuade yourself out of it. Remove any physical evidence. Eliminating the offending objects is one step you can take when considering how to overcome a porn addiction. So that giving in to the impulse is simply not an option, throw out all publications and erase all digital evidence. Use your work laptop whenever possible rather than your personal one, because the fear of being discovered will help you stay on course. To prevent access to pornographic content, you can also modify your settings. Be aware of your triggers. Your addiction to porn will have triggers, just like any other addiction. These are the kinds of outside or internal cues that evoke thoughts of pornography. It might be a certain picture, tune, location, or individual. Make an effort to stay away from circumstances that could expose you to your triggers. If your craving for pornography is out of control, it's critical to learn coping mechanisms. You can divert yourself from your goals and interfere with your current thought process by using breathing, counting, and tapping techniques. Think of a healthy distraction. Switching out your porn addiction for something constructive is another way to break the cycle. You can also decide to engage in a healthy activity if you find yourself feeling the need to view porn again. Yoga incorporates breathing exercises that can help you relax and think positively. You can also take a bath, go for a run, work in the yard, or read a book. Anything that diverts your attention from your desire to watch porn. Tell someone about your problems. Although your fascination with porn may make you feel ashamed, talking to a close friend or even your partner about it could help you overcome your addiction. If the person you confide in also lives with you, they can assist you in your quest to overcome your porn addiction, in addition to providing a sense of comfort from knowing that you have shared your problem. Inform them of the times of day that you find difficult as well as any known triggers. If you're relapsing, they can then assist you in avoiding difficult situations and offer distractions. Join a support group. To assist you kick a porn addiction, there are resources similar to those found in support groups for drug and alcohol addiction. The greatest group therapy is really conducted by a licensed therapist, though you may be able to access some of these online or through relationship services like Relate. If you enroll in Delamire's residential recovery program, you'll meet others who share your struggles and have the opportunity to build strong support systems for yourself while you're no longer under medical supervision. Try cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. We must identify the root cause of your porn addiction in order to treat it successfully. Your demand for porn is typically being driven by an underlying trauma from the past or a stressor from the present. In order to address the core of your issues and assist you in discovering the best course of action, the holistic therapists at Delamere Wellness Retreat combine various psychotherapies, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, together with physical healing practices that may be utilized in daily life to deal with difficult emotions. Therapy can be used to disrupt harmful thought patterns. Get medication for porn addiction. Medication may be the key to breaking a porn addiction. Numerous pharmaceutical options are available to provide assistance. The reward and pleasure centers of the brain are activated when watching porn. The body and mind start to depend on these sensations to function when this is stimulated, since they produce such strong feelings of bliss. Certain drugs can counteract this reaction by improving nerve cell activity. SSRIs, or selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, are popular antidepressants that aid in the treatment of mood disorders like depression and anxiety. If you decide to enroll in a residential recovery program at Delamere Wellness Retreat, we can help you by providing you with drugs that curb your desire for porn and teaching you coping skills to help you resist your cravings. We've talked about the darkness, but now let's step into the light. This path to freedom isn't paved with deprivation. It's built with self-compassion, community support, and powerful strategies that rewire your brain and empower you to choose differently. In this journey, you won't be alone. We'll be here every step of the way, offering practical tools, expert guidance, and a supportive community of people who understand your struggle. Together, we'll build a life where porn fades into the background, replaced by genuine connection, purpose, and lasting fulfillment. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you've resonated with anything we've discussed, hit that like button to show your support. For more empowering content and a roadmap to permanent freedom, subscribe and ring that notification bell.